Welcome to Vedic Hindustan. Vedic Hindustan is focused on reviving our old traditional way of cooking in clay pots. Please visit our website claykitchenware.vedichindustan.org for complete details. In this video, I will show you how to make butter and buttermilk in a clay pot.
Today I'm going to show you how to make butter at home. This is A2 milk. A2 milk is always good for health. Raw, non-homogenized A2 milk. Keep one pot separate only to boil milk. Do not mix, and always rinse the pot when you want to use it. It will avoid milk sticking at the bottom. We are going to boil the milk. Stir the milk time to time. You can see the milk has started to boil. I'm going to switch off the gas now. I'll let it cool down. After the milk comes down to room temperature, I'll keep the pot in the fridge. You can see on the top cream. I'm going to take out this cream and put it in a separate bowl in a mathani. I'm going to put 1 spoonful of yogurt. This is also I have made at home using A2 milk yogurt. I'll put 1 full tablespoon of yogurt with the cream and I'll keep it in the fridge. And whenever I boil the milk, I'll take out the cream on the top and I'll put in the same container, same mathani, and put it in the fridge. When I have a good quantity, then I'll make butter. You see, I've taken out the cream from the top. This milk is good to drink, and I'm going to add 1 full spoon of yogurt in the with the cream, and I'll keep it in the fridge. I'm going to make butter from the cream. So this cream I taken out from around 3 liters of milk, and this is 800 ml of mathani. So you can see it is almost more than half that is filled. So I'm going to make butter from this cream. My husband has made the stand for me to make it easy to churn, like in the traditional olden fashion. I'm holding the stand tightly with a clamp. So it just makes very easy to do churn. In this pot I have added 1 cup of cold water. I'm going to churn with a wooden in the old traditional way. See, this is how I churn. You can do with hand also. I have shown this one using hand in my another video, ice cream, vanilla ice cream with chocolate topping, but this is very convenient to do churning. Be prepared that it does spill because this pot is small, and if you have a bigger pot, clay pot, then the chances are low that it will come out too much, but because the pot is small and it does spill. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cold water to help the butter to separate. Very cold water. I'm going to add a little bit more on this one. It will help the butter to separate from cream. And then I'm going to churn again. You can see I'm churning this one for around 1.5 hours, but it is taking 1.5 hours because the pot is very small, and I am doing it slowly to avoid too much of spilling. Now you can see butter. See, the water is separating and the butter is forming. I will show you. See the rolls, butter rolls. Put it in the water. See, you can see butter. I get some more butter. It comes like round. You can see this automatically, it comes like round butter, and as soon as you put your hand, you will find out. Yeah, butter is, see. And I will churn some more. This I'm getting only from 3 liters of milk. I'm not using too much. I'm just taken out cream from after boiling. I'm going to churn this one again, and okay. Homemade butter. See, this much I taken out only from 3 liters of milk that I used. The cream after boiling the milk, the cream comes on the top, malai, it is called malai. I removed that. I just kept it in the fridge with one full big spoon of yogurt, freshly homemade yogurt, and this much freshly homemade butter is ready. This is buttermilk. I'm going to season this. That can be served with rice. How to make buttermilk? Either you can mix, you can drink sweet buttermilk, just mixing with sugar or jaggery, or you can add salt to drink like that, or you can also season. I'm going to season it because I love to eat with rice. I'm going to season buttermilk with the jeera, cumin seeds. This is turmeric, raw turmeric, grated, curry leaves, green chilies, fresh chopped coriander. Now to season, I'm using this stainless steel little bit, what's that called? I don't know. This I'm using this one to season. I hope I have something in clay similar to this that I can use in future. At this stage I don't have. I'm using ghee to season. You can use oil if you want to use oil. So it's according to your taste. Ghee, cumin seeds. This I'm putting a little bit of hing as well. Raw turmeric. Green chilies. Curry leaves. You can use turmeric powder if you want to use turmeric powder. I have fresh turmeric, so I just love that. Let it cook a little bit. I'm going to add fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now add salt according to your taste. It tastes very nice, buttermilk tastes very nice with rice. I'm going to serve freshly homemade butter with freshly made bun, homemade bun. When you make butter in clay pot, the 100% you will get butter. The butter will form and you will get butter. The same thing if you try to do in a metal, stainless steel, anything, there are 50-50 chances you may get, the butter may form or may not form. The reason is it needs cold temperature, a very cold temperature. When you are churning in a metal, then as you continue to churn, the metal will become hot. The pot will become hot, metal pot. So the butter will not form. But the same thing when you are doing in clay, the clay keeps very cold temperature. So you will get 100% you will get butter when you try to make butter in a clay pot. You can also make butter from yogurt. Watch my another video making yogurt at home. It should be from non-homogenized raw milk, not from milk powder. Non-homogenized raw milk. When you make yogurt, then you can churn the yogurt. Normally all the cream settles at the top, even in the yogurt. So if you take half of the yogurt from the top and churn it, then you will get the butter from that too. You can use homemade butter to make ghee as well. Watch my another video how to make ghee at home. I have used supermarket butter, but the same thing, that is unsalted butter, this is homemade butter. Same procedure need to be followed to make ghee.
Please visit claykitchenware.vedichindustan.org for all varieties of clay kitchenware. We accept domestic and international orders. All the prices are in New Zealand dollars. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.